Hey, what's up YouTube? Here's another video by Ratchets and Wrenches. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your ignition lock cylinder from your car. This is a 2003 Hyundai Elantra, and on some cars the first thing we're going to have to do on this car is to remove this steering column cover, this cover right here. On some cars you don't have to do this. There's going to be a axis. There's going to be a hole like this, similar to these screw holes that hold this cover in place. It's going to be on the bottom or on the side or on the top. It varies, where you can get a little screw in and then get to a tab that's holding this ignition lock cylinder in place, and then you can remove it that way. But in this car we're gonna have to take these out, so I'm gonna start by unscrewing these 3 screws in here and taking this cover apart. Let's see. And third one. Alright, so now we just get these, on this car it's only 3 screws, but before you start prying on these on your car, make sure it's that's it. It's nothing else is holding these covers together. And once you get this apart, you can just you can adjust your steering wheel to make it easier getting these guys out of the plate. I guess you can always take this off too. Here's the first one. And here's the top cover. Set these aside. Okay, next step in removing this ignition lock cylinder is we're gonna have to remove this plastic cover, and this is held in place by one screw at the bottom right there. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that, take this out. Alright, now with that out of the way, you just put that to the side. It's going to be a lot easier to get to the little metal tab at the bottom of this that we're going to have to press in to get the ignition lock cylinder out. Okay, next step is that you want to put in your key, and then you want to get a screwdriver or whatever fits that's smaller than the circumference of this little tab, because you want to be able to push that in all the way. And you want to put the key on accessories. Push this in. This needs to go all the way for you in order for you to be able to get this out. If it doesn't go all the way in, just while it's on accessories, start slowly turning it to the right. As you can hopefully see, it went all the way in, and then you can just pull this out. Okay, reinstallation is basically the reversal of the installation, except you want to, when you go to put in your new ignition lock cylinder, this thing is gonna, on this car, this thing is gonna get in the way. Yeah, it's gonna get in the way, and you're not gonna be able to push this in. So what I did is just loosen these 2 screws. So there's some give in this, and then once you put this in, make sure the key is in the accessory position, and on the bottom where you go put that in, make sure you gotta basically, you just press this in, and well, yes, this on this car it's a little past accessory, I guess. So yeah, you get it to where you can press this in with your finger, and on the bottom, so when you go to put it in, make sure you press that in, get it past this, and then it just slides in and it will lock in place. Then you tighten these screws, put this back on, tighten it, and yeah, put the steering column cover back on, and that's it, you're all set. And on these cars, at least the 2001 to 2003 Hyundai Elantras, the key does not come with a chip in it, so you don't have to worry about programming it or anything like that to the computer, to the car's computer, or you know, any other security systems. So yeah, that's it. Hope this helps you guys out there. Let me know if you like this video, and if you want to see more like it. Thank you.